Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. March 28th, we are getting closer to that USDA report on the 31st. Very light trade overnight. Probably the lightest that we've seen here this week so far. But corn right now down about a penny, beans down penny and a half, wheat giving back about 6 cents from what they've gained yesterday. Just more profit taking, I think. But are the funds going to come back in and be buyers again? Really, they focused, it seemed like, more on corn yesterday. Open interest was up 10,000 contracts for corn. So question is are they going to continue to buy as we get into, or as we go into the weekend and ahead of that report on Monday? A lot of back and forth trade for wheat. We had seen wheat very strong yesterday. Now, as I mentioned, down about 6 cents. It seems like they have rain in the forecast one day, they take it out the next. The 11 to 15 day forecast has got they brought some rain into the hard red wheat areas. So now we've got the market setting back a little bit. We'll see if that does continue. Something to look at here on beans and why we've rallied so strong for beans. Export sales on beans. China's got about 800,000 tons still to remaining on their balance sheet there to be shipped out. Unknown has about 1.2, so they expect that to be China as well. But really, USDA's target, we're over right now about 2.8 million tons. So there's going to need to be some adjustment as far as those numbers. How are they going to do that? Are we going to see that happen here on the quarterly stock number on Monday? These are all questions we'll have to see come Monday. But very light trade, probably going to see it pretty thin here for most of the session. A lot of focus today, though, will be on the hog market. Hogs were up pretty sharp yesterday, up limit yesterday, up another $1.35 right now. So big turnaround from what we'd seen earlier in the week. We got a hog and pigs report out today at 2 o'clock. Expectations for all hogs looking for a range between 92% to 97.1. The average guess is at 94.5. Kept back for breeding, looking for 98.9 to 100.7. Average guess there is 99.6. And then kept for marketing, 91.2% to 96.9. Average guess there is at 94. So a lot of guys are going to be watching these numbers. Are we going to see these numbers hit this time? And really, where are we going to be moving forth? We've seen that market extremely volatile, probably going to remain that way here today as well, and maybe even next week, depending upon what these numbers look like. Now, cutout values yesterday afternoon down 116, so 130.75. But I think a lot of today is going to be positioning for this report at 2 o'clock. Cattle down 27 at this point. No additional trade since Tuesday. That was 154 in Colorado. That's equivalent to 152 in Texas, so new record levels there. But we did see a significant decline for boxed beef last night. Choice down 251, select down 210. So finding a little bit of a pullback there. We'll see if that affects the markets here today as well. As far as outside markets, stock market right now at 31. Got gold down $6, silver down 3 cents, and the dollar pushing a little bit higher, up about 8 cents here at this time. So if you guys have any questions today, if you got any questions about this report as well, we did have a great webinar yesterday. You can get online, take a look at that. If you need any help with anything, you can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you again next week. Take care.